Some of y'all gonna be excited. Some of y'all gonna be disappointed. Either way, it's an update. Hi guys, welcome back. I have an update for y'all. What is missing here? There's something missing. There was a turbo here. If y'all remember, I was gonna do a turbocharger, single turbo on this side, hood exit. It's gonna try to figure out a way to route the piping, probably have to move the AC compressor to the other side. The coolant line or the coolant hose would definitely be a problem. Probably have to find a way to go around, down and around. Anyway, I decided not to do the turbo right now. I'm a little disappointed, personally. It's something I really wanted to do, but I don't think the timing is right at this moment. Some of you guys that know me personally know that we're about to have a baby in the first week of October. So just a few months away, we're gonna have a baby boy. So I'm super stoked. I'm very excited about that. My housing situation's a little weird right now. I work in multiple cities, so I travel a lot. Usually it's 3 to 4 hour trips. I do that weekly, sometimes multiple times during the week, so I'm never at home. When I am at home, I try to take a day, to spend with my family. But by only having 1 day a week to work on the vehicle, I don't think it's a good time to start such a tedious project. I know it's challenging, and I love a challenge, more than anybody else. I love to be challenged. I do want to finish what I start though. I've seen too many people out there that have project cars that they start on, and then family happens or life happens and the car just sits in the garage. And I don't want that for this car. So the primary focus has always been the businesses and the people who work in the stores. My dedication is to them, to training them, to getting them where they need to be and pushing them further along, so they can learn and grow. Then the car comes, then we can focus the time on the car. Am I giving up? No, I'm not giving up. Am I doing things a little bit differently than I said? Yes, I am. Is it because things changed? Absolutely. Life changed. But I thought you guys deserved an update on Qzilla. So traveling a ton, family's growing. I've been working with a very well-known manufacturer of supercharger kits. We're actually going to be using that new style bracket on this car. We are going to change the head unit as well. We're going to go with something a little bit smaller. We're going to see what it does on the dyno. I'm going to keep it conservative. I'm adding a wastegate also, so that way I can do different levels of power, different levels of boost. So it's going to be a very similar setup, except it's going to be a little bit more streetable. I'll be able to hold 12 pounds of boost. I'll be able to hold 14 pounds, 16, 18, 20, whatever the car can put out, at full tilt. That'll be my race map, but I definitely want the drivability that I had before with the supercharger, but the power curve of a turbo. So adding a wastegate to the intake will definitely solve that issue. Yes, I'm going to be wasting a lot of air that could be potentially turned into boost, but it's going to be the best of both. It's going to be best of both worlds without having to do all the fabrication of a turbocharger. So I'm excited to go back to supercharger. I'm excited to do something a little bit different with it this time. I will be doing a turbo build on it when everything settles down. But for the meantime, the stores are gonna come first. Family's gonna come first. The builds will always be here. We're not giving up on the project. We are not putting it to the side. It's been something I've been thinking about. I just didn't know exactly how I wanted to approach it. So long story short, we're gonna put a supercharger back on the car. We got maybe about another week before parts start coming in, and then we'll get started on it. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. You know, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that way you guys can see the next video when I actually start installing the supercharger. See ya.